Sorry, my lord.
Such experience and their services
35 years.
will be very valuable in jail. In training the next line of.
Lord, can I just show your lordship, Lord? Page 7 of the counter for
Why
a
you're
moment.
not getting bail from.
Lord, no, Lord. Please see the counter. I know, but let me try.
For success.
Page 7 of the counter.
You know that.
Within a month.
I know, but my lord, may I just say this? On delay, when I was on the other side recently, I suffered an order. Now let me show you para 7 of the counter.
Hmm.
Come to para 7 of the counter.
What is the delay here? FIR is 2023.
My lord, just see page 7 of the counter.
Now what does it say?
Lord, it says, please see, they only set out where all I'm acquitted, Lord. All there's acquittal, Lord, throughout. And if I may just point out, Lord, and just come straight away, Lord, after 21, what happens? Everything, there were no crimes between 96 to 2003, then 2003 to 2011, and then 2016 to 21, nothing. From 21, suddenly, there is a host of crimes. And 2003 to 11, I was acquitted.
So post-COVID, you became extra active.
But post-COVID, they started arresting me. I've not been out at all. And may I just show your lordship, the latest discharge order says they attribute that I threatened somebody and the court says, listen, he couldn't have. He was in custody in some other case, in some other jail. He was not present on the spot. It's a false case. And Lord, I want your lordship to see what they're doing with the witnesses. Just see this for a moment. Just pass this over. Lord, this is the way my lord will see witnesses are not coming in this case. March of 2025, I came to your lordship. See what they're doing with the witnesses. This is Sartaj, the witness who is to be called. My lawyer took this, Lord. The witness had to come. Witness Sartaj had to come. This is what they're doing with the witness.
वापस करिए.
They don't let him enter the court the day he's called for witness evidence, Lord.
The day after on
Ah, he's
28.
not there.
But
Lord,
then,
please
Mr.
see-
Raju, tell us, what after March 25, when we rejected the first application, what have you done?
Yes, may I tell my lords?
Yes.
My lords had rejected.
How many dates for filing the FSL?
13th of May 25, my
Yes.
lords had rejected.
Yes.
Within a month he files a successive bail application. 27th March. my
Forget
lords had
about the
rejected.
bail. What you have done in trial, please
No,
read the chart.
We have
Read
examined,
the chart annexure 1, page
Yes.
19 of rejoinder.
Joined up.
we have examined 10.
Mr. Raju, please read the chart. Have you presented the FSL report as yet?
February of
Yes.
26, Lord.
Yes.
It's come. Finally,
FSL
February
When,
26.
after 3 years of the crime.
FSL
3 years.
reports are aware, takes some time, but
3, Mr.
otherwise,
Raju, 3 years.
but the fact is, my lord,
Yes.
that 10 witnesses are examined, 3 we are examining
7.
tomorrow, 3 we are examining on 28. There are only 22 witnesses. 16 will be over by 28.
Do it in 1 month then. All right, conclude the trial in 1 month.
Within 2 months, we'll conclude. We'll examine witnesses within 2 months. Very good.
Lord, may I just, I leave it to
How
your
many
lordship, Lord.
have been examined?
10.
10. And
Out of 22.
Three have been summoned tomorrow. And 3 more have been summoned on 28.
My lord,
So 16. And we'll
My lord,
finish
if
the
they
trial.
turn the witness
Provided
away
they
from court,
cooperate,
see the
provided
video.
They cooperate.
This is outside the court. The lawyer took it. The lawyer says, why are you not letting him come? The lawyer is present here today, Lord. The lawyer said, why are you not presenting him? They said, we are not presenting him. He
Now,
comes to
but
court.
they are
and-
saying they are releasing a witness every
My
day.
lord, my lord, last time also the same statement was made. This statement is being made each time, Lord.
They are making
Lord,
statement
no
with
disrespect.
instructions.
Just a minute, Lord. May I just point out, Lord?
देखिए, Mr. Raju Leonard, ASG appearing for the respondents upon instruction states that 10 witnesses out of 22 have already been examined.
Yes.
3 witnesses are
Summoned on.
scheduled to be summoned for
No,
tomorrow.
already summoned for tomorrow.
For tomorrow. That
And
is,
3 more on 28.
tomorrow is 26th,
Correct.
Yes. And
March 2026. And 3 more have been summoned for
28.
28th, March 2026. He further submits that the trial will be concluded. Evidence for
the
the prosecution will be completed within
2 months.
2 months on the outer side. Very well. In that view of the matter, we are not inclined to entertain this petition for.
My lord, have it after 2 months. Sorry. I
We are not
mean,
inclined to entertain this petition. In the event the prosecution is unable to complete its evidence within 2 months from today, for no fault attributable to the petitioner, it will be open for the petitioner to revive his prayer for bail.
my lord.
And
Lord, I will again go through that same cycle. Lord, would your lordship then
You
keep it
come
after?
here,
Lord, keep it after 2 months.
you come here.
Lord, keep it after 2 months. There will be pressure on them to do it. Either which will be clearer.
No, there is, even otherwise the order, there will be
Yes.
pressure, my lord. My
Sir,
lord,
I have
but he
seen.
must cooperate in the trial.
What is the
2 months
problem?
later, what's the
It is
project?
kept pending.
Very well.
That doesn't make much difference.
All right. इसको लगा दीजिए 28th May को.
Grateful.
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 And
2 months.
he may cooperate with the trial.
That's what we have said.
Already the order is there.
फिर वो रिवाइव प्रेयर पकड़ के
वो कर जाएगा ऑर्डर इतना
अब-
This हम तो बाकी
वो
order
ना
है
जाए।
वैसे ही, कि वो इतने विटनेस प्रोड्यूस करेंगे और उनका कोऑपरेशन रहेगा उसमें Yes.
Grateful, deeply.